Example, an observer 1.5 meters tall, is 28.5 meters away from a chimney. The angle of elevation of the top of the chimney, from her eyes, is 45 degrees. What is the height of the chimney? Solution. If we observe the figure here, AB is the chimney, CD is the height of the observer, and angle AD the angle of elevation. In the figure, AD is a right-angled triangle, which is right-angled at E. Now, we need to find the height of the chimney. We have AB equal to A plus B equal to A plus 1.5. And also, DE equal to CB equal to 28.5 meters. To determine AE, let us choose the trigonometric ratios, such as tan D or cot D, which involves both A and D. Now, tan D equal to A by D, since tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. This implies tan 45 degrees equal to A by 28.5. This implies 1 equal to a point E by 28.5. Therefore, AE equal to 28.5. So, the height of the chimney AB equal to A plus B equal to 28.5 plus 1.5 meters equal to 30 meters. Therefore, the height of the chimney is 30 meters. Let us see another method to solve this problem. Alternative method. Considering the height of the chimney is h, and the distance between the points C and B is d, that is, d equal to 28.5 meters. The height of the tall boy is h1 equal to 1.5 meters. So total height h equal to h1 plus h2. H equal to 1.5 plus h2, make it as equation 1. And the angle of elevation theta equal to 45 degrees. In triangle ADE. Since we know that h2 equal to d tan theta, we have h2 equal to 28.5 tan 45 degrees. h2 equal to 28.5 meters, since tan 45 degrees equal to 1. Substituting h2 value in equation 1, that is, h equal to h1 plus h2. We get h equal to 1.5 plus 28.5 equal to 30 meters. Therefore, the height of the chimney is 30 meters. Example, a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters and is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground, whereas, for the elder children, she wants to have a steep side at a height of 3 meters and inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Solution. In the given problem, we have 2 scenarios, slides for younger and elder children respectively. Let us take first scenario, that is, slide for the younger children. Draw a right-angled triangle ABC. So, from the figure, it can be observed that AC represents the length of the slide, and AB represents the height of a slide. That is, AB equal to 1.5 meters. Angle ACB is the angle of elevation, and slide is inclined at angle of 30 degrees to the ground. That is, theta equal to 30 degrees. We need to determine the length of the slide AC. To determine AC, we choose trigonometric ratio, sin theta, as the ratio involves both AB and AC. Since we know that theta equal to 30 degrees, AB equal to 1.5 meters. ABC is a triangle, right-angled at B, we get sin 30 degrees equal to AB by AC, since sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. As we know that sin 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2, we get 1 by 2 equal to 1.5 by AC. On cross multiplication, we have AC equal to 2 into 1.5. AC equal to 3 meters. Therefore, the length of the slide in case of younger children is 3 meters. Now let us take second scenario, that is, slide for the elder children. Given that the height of the slide is 3 meters, and angle of inclination is 60 degrees. So, from the figure, it can be observed. AB represents the height of a slide, that is, AB equal to 3 meters. AC represents the length of the slide, and theta represents the angle of inclination, that is, theta equal to 60 degrees. To determine AC, we choose trigonometric ratio as sin theta, as the ratio involves both AB and AC. That is, sin 60 degrees equal to AB by AC, since sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. This implies that sin 60 degrees equal to 3 by AC. As we know that sin 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2, we get root 3 by 2 equal to 3 by AC. By cross multiplication, we have AC equal to 6 by root 3. Now by rationalizing, that is multiplying, and dividing by root 3, we get AC equal to 6 by root 3, into root 3 by root 3. This implies that AC equal to 2 root 3 meters. Therefore, the length of the slide in case of elder children is 2 root 3 meters. Let us see an alternate method to solve the problem. Alternative method. Let us take first scenario, to find length of the slide for younger children. In triangle ABC, right angle AB, consider the length of the slide is L. And height of a slide is H, that is, H equal to 1.5 meters. Slide is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees, that is, theta equal to 30 degrees. Since we know that H equal to L into sin theta, we get L equal to H by sin theta. This implies that L equal to 1.5 by sin 30 degrees. As we know that sin 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2, we have L equal to 1.5 by 1 by 2. This implies that L equal to 1.5 into 2 equal to 3 meters. Therefore, the length of the slide for younger children is 3 meters. Now, let us take second scenario, to find length of the slide for elder children. Consider length of the slide is L. And height of a slide is H, that is, H equal to 3 meters. Slide is inclined at an angle of 60 degrees, that is, theta equal to 60 degrees. Since we know that H equal to L into sin theta, we get L equal to H by sin theta. This implies that L equal to 3 by sin 60 degrees. This implies that L equal to 3 by root 3 by 2. This implies that L equal to 6 by root 3. By rationalizing, that is multiplying and dividing by root 3, we get L equal to 6 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. This implies that L equal to 6 root 3 by 3. This implies that L equal to 2 root 3. Therefore, the length of the slide for elder children is 2 root 3 meters.